Happy morning, students. Welcome to Sri Vidya Bharati Metric Higher Secondary School, Sakrampalayam, Namakkal district. Today we are going to discuss plus 1 English. Yes, error spot. Spot the errors. See, students, first of all, we have to listen how to spot the error. How to spot the error. In this section, you will be given a sentence with an error in it. Read the sentence carefully and find the errors. Errors are generally tested in the following areas. For example, the first one, articles, prepositions, numbers, singular and plural, usage of wrong words, usage of tenses, usage of conjunctions, usage of adverbs and adjectives, word order, question tags. Conditional clauses, conjunctions, concord. It means nothing but agreement of the verb with its subject. Students, see the first rule, articles. Article based error spots. Listen the rule, students. Words like one, university, universal, useful, unique, union, European are preceded by the article A. See in this box, incorrect questions and correct answer. I saw, see the example, students. I saw an one-eyed man. You have to learn the Tamil meaning for article A, an and the. A, oru. And, or, the, and the, in the அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். See the first one. I saw an one-eyed man. Before this rule is very important. Words like this one, university, universal, useful, unique, union, European are preceded by the article A only. But question given an one-eyed man. This is wrong. This is incorrect. So which one is correct? What's the error here? An changed here. I saw a one-eyed man. Next one. See the next example. My brother is an university rank holder. Students, an is wrong. An is here error. So you should write a university. Not for an university. A university. This is a right answer. Correct answer for my brother is a university rank holder. Next one, it is an useful advice. It is an useful advice. Answer, it is a useful advice. It is a useful advice. Next one, an European. This is incorrect questions. Not an European. Correct answer, a European. So, these words is very important, students. This word, one before article A. University before article A. Universal before article A. Useful, this word before article A. And unique, union, European are preceded by the article A. So, an European incorrect. Which one is correct? Tell me. A European. A European invented this machine. Okay. See the rules again. Half is followed by the article A. Half is followed by the article A. Incorrect question, students. I have taken half day leave. I have taken half day leave. Half a day. Half a day is the right answer. Half a day. Half is followed by the article A only. So, listen, students. Listen the word half. You should add the article A. I have taken half a day leave. Next one. I bought half liter of milk. Yes, this is an incorrect question. Which one? Right, tell the answer. I bought half a liter of milk. I bought half a liter of milk. Next one. Rule 3. Abbreviations beginning with, students, abbreviations beginning with L, M N S F H. Abbreviations beginning with L M N S F H are preceded by the article an. Yes. Incorrect questions. Mr. Suzai is a LIC agent. Yeah, it's wrong. Mr. Suzai is an LIC agent. Yes. Students, letter given L. You should listen the letter L. LIC is the one position. Already you know very well. அவர் ஒரு எல்ஐசி ஏஜெண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அவர் ஓர் எல்ஐசி ஏஜெண்ட். அண்ட் எல்ஐசி ஏஜெண்ட் இஸ் த ரைட் ஆன்சர். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், எ எம்ஏ இஸ் ராங். ஷீலா இஸ் an MA. எ எம்ஏ இஸ் ராங். ஷீலா இஸ் an MA in English. Mr. Nasir is a NRI. Students, you know the abbreviation before only article an is right answer. Mr. Nasir is a NRI living in America. This is incorrect question. Mr. Nasir is an NRI living in America. Before the abbreviation you should write an only. And I want to make a STD call. A STD call is wrong. I want to make an STD call to Mumbai. Students, he bought a HMT watch yesterday. A HMT watch is the wrong answer. An HMT. He bought an HMT watch yesterday. Listen the rule 4. Words like or, honest, honorable, etc. are preceded by the article an. Once again, words like or, honest, honorable, etc. are preceded by the article an. Students, incorrect question. The first one, Ramesh played for a hour. Ramesh played for a hour. Answer, Ramesh played for an hour. Ramesh played for an hour. Yes, a hour is the wrong answer. An hour is the right answer. Balu is a honest boy. This is the wrong answer. Balu is an honest boy. This is the right answer. A honest is wrong. An honest is right. Dr. Shailu is a honorable person. A honorable person is the wrong answer. Dr. Shailu is an honorable person. An honorable person. Next one, students. Rule 5. Already you know, students, these articles, indefinite articles, a, an. Definite articles, the. Listen, definite article, the is used before superlative degrees, the most, the tallest. And unique objects, the moon, the earth, etc. Rivers, the Kaveri. Seas, the Arabian Sea. Mountain ranges, the Himalayas. Group of islands, the Maldives. Musical instruments, the guitar. Holy books and epics, the Bible, the Ramayana. You know the directions. Yes, directions before the superlative degree, the. Yes, definite article, you know, the east. And world wonders and historical monuments, the Taj Mahal. Students, world wonders and historical monuments, the Taj Mahal, etc. Listen guys, Ram is most intelligent boy in our class. Answer, Ram is the most intelligent boy in our class, because before using superlative degree, most before, Ram is the most. This is the right answer. Ram is the most intelligent boy in our class. Next one, earth. The earth is planet. And you know the holy books, holy rivers. Yes. Comes the word article the. Before comes article the. The earth. The earth is planet. You know students, Nile. Nile is the longest river in Egypt. Answer, the Nile. The Nile is the longest river in Egypt. And Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. Answer students, the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. Next one, he lives in Andaman Islands. He lives in Andaman Islands. Answer students, he lives in the Andaman Island. He lives in the Andaman Island. James reads Bible every day. The Bible, famous books, holy books, you know. So answer, the violin. And the Bible. James reads Bible every day. Answer students, James reads the Bible every day. And you know the universal truth, the sun rises in the east. Universal truth, before comes the article the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. And holy places are famous places like Taj Mahal, world wonders, before the. Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? The Taj Mahal. The United States of America. Students, United States of America recovered from the stock market crash. Answer, the United States of America recovered from the stock market crash. Once again, Ram is the most intelligent boy in our class. The earth is planet. The Nile is the longest river in Egypt. The Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. He lives in the Andaman Island. She plays the violin excellently. James reads the Bible every day. The sun rises in the east. Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? The United States of America recovered from the stock market crash. Guys, listen the rule 6. Suitable article should be placed if the sentence is wrong due to omission of article. Suitable article should be placed if the sentence is wrong due to omission of article. Students, incorrect question. I have headache. Answer, correct answer. I have a headache. I have headache. This is incorrect answer. Correct answer, I have a headache. Underline the word article A. India defeated Sri Lanka by innings. Answer students, India defeated Sri Lanka by an innings. India defeated Sri Lanka by an innings. Yes. A headache. I have a headache. Is the right answer. India defeated Sri Lanka by an innings. Because the suitable article should be placed if the sentence is wrong due to omission of article. Rule 7. Generally, proper nouns and subjects, languages don't take any article before them. For example, she can speak the Hindi. This is wrong answer, students. She can speak Hindi. She can speak English. This is the right answer. No need to write the article D here, because generally proper nouns and subject, language don't take any article before them. Okay. Students, error spot is very important. Listen well. and prepare well. Spot the error. It will come your public examination. Thank you students. Prepared by K. Yashoda, PG Assistant in English, Sri Vidya Bharati Metric Higher Secondary School, Sakrambalayam. Thank you students. Thank you to one and all.